Alright, I'm just going to use a screwdriver, get in here as close as you can, and it just pops off. I believe that just pops off too. Yep. I'll explain how this works. Is you get these in there. Right now they can close in so they can fit up in the holes, and then these lock in there, so now those things can't squeeze back down, and that's what locks it in. Oh, I have to explain that again. So how this works is these can squeeze in so they can fit in the hole, and then this goes up in that and then locks that in so they can't come out, and that what holds it in there really nice and tight. So I'll pop that off. I need to put it in like that. Pop it in there like that. And there we go. That's easy as peasy.